Okay.
I made this beat. Yeah. And then I wrote to it too. So we go like this. It's like real late and Durham's trying to get home, so I'ma try and one take the motherfucking song. When you first start rapping, everybody curious. Then you make it happen and everybody furious. Young kid courteous, don't know what the worry is. Wanna be buried in my Pittsburgh jersey, bitch. Nobody's certain if you gonna make it. Like, give you some hurtin' and you gonna hate it. Sometimes it leave you cold and it leave you naked. But one thing for certain, I'ma leave it faded. Still young, but I wonder when my time gon' be up. When my time come, I'ma smile and peace up. Shorty sippin' 40s, hanging out by the tree stump. So German me started making hits and it occurred to me you didn't have to be like 33 to start earning cheese. With uncertainty, in it for eternity. A lot of style, little money and some purple weed. Me and my queen, my girl, not Freddie Mercury. Cause first you work for free, anything to get noticed. Staying focused cause bullshitting was hopeless. So treat yourself like a damn professional. Your first music check, damn incredible. Every day feel like the best day ever. Until every day feel like the best day ever. And you used to them days, kinda become a routine. You have a bad one, fuck up a good dream. You realize that you'll probably be away when all the people die and you never get to say everything you always wanted to but never got the chance to. Start to weigh you down, what can a man do? I could've stayed around, probably canceled a couple of shows. Spent the last 2 years being dumb on the road. I guess haven't got to spend too much in the home. Time is what you make of a player, don't be mistaken. All of your shit get taken, broken, beaten and wasted. Still I wouldn't trade it, now it's 5 o'clock, but my mind won't stop. I've been thinking about life, pouring syrup and pop, smoking cigarettes like I'm really trying to keep my head on my shoulders but my mind in the sky. I'm that moment when the gazelle and lions collide. I'm a burn down building with a diamond inside. Yeah, independent platinum, wish it well passing. Jewelry out the ice age, bitch out of Maxim. I've been writing this shit, just relaxing. Yeah. So I just made this motherfucking beat. Decided I just was gonna rap on it too. It's late. Yup. Took my chains off to rap it. Oh, I'm gonna drop my bitch. Whoever thought that I'd be standing in the booth with a big chain. Like I'm joking, alright, peace. Talk me about it.
Light through medieval trends.
I know people that try, people that don't, people that fly through the air just float like smoke. I know people that joke, know people that's rich, know people that's broke, know people that love, people that hate. Some tell you that you're good, some say you doing great. Hey, I know people can't wait, they wanna hear every single thing I gotta say. Some people act cool, some act phony. People are your friends but they never be your homies. I know people think they know me, like there's a lame, untalented old me. Girls wanna own me, labels wanna clone me, haters wanna choke me, stoners wanna smoke weed. People never gonna change, cause no two people are the same. Hey, we are just two people.
Fuck yeah, go to it.
I can't complain now, people know my name, and when I come back home, not a damn thing changed. I bet people can't believe, some after the money, some want to agree. If you showing love, then you cool with me. I'm the same old dude before the jewelry, and everything kinda new to me. Things ain't nothing like they used to be. People thought I wouldn't, some people probably thought I could. Some people think the boy turned to Hollywood. Live it up every day, work well. Dudes run away when they see the girl smile. I'm glad I get to call her mine. The type of thing so hard to find. You can't tell us daughter shine up a carpet fly. Shit's gonna happen, it's just all the time.
Hello? Hi, Dad.
you to my room, 'cause I've been going crazy, baby, you don't got a clue. We are just two people. What more can we do? Give me one more day, I'ma spend it with you. Thought that I'd be standing in the booth with a big chain. It's like I'm joking, I don't got another verse. Alright, peace.